What's up, Purist? It's Bob from Purist Motorsports. Got a few things we're gonna get done today. 1, Centercaps. 2, tires on rims. 3, rims on the car. And then 4, get the car on the ground and drive it. Let's get going. Got the children all loaded up. Let's go get tires on them.
Ticket for a midnight train, with all my mind just a little bit deranged. I can't get you out of my brain. I'm searching for something simple and plain. Ticket for a midnight train, you know my mind's just a little bit deranged. I can't get you out of my brain. I'm searching for something simple and plain. Oh, won't you help me find it? A ticket for a midnight train, with all my mind just a little bit deranged. Can't get you out of my brain. The bike is gone, let's go dancing down the road.
Here it is before its bath. It's time to wash it off.
Hiding out in my car with my guitar, feeling far from who we are. I'm not able to see all that we make good company to a certain degree.
Okay, I mentioned in a blog post about these Centercaps. I got them off, actually found them on eBay. They were, they're NOS. You can see they haven't had the plastic film taken off of them yet. And I hate to remove these these decals, but gosh, I can't get it. Let's see. You can see it, but the little film. This is they are NOS, brand new, never used. I got lucky. Yeah, there we go. As you can see here, and they are pristine. And I hate to remove these, but this is what's got to go on it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to remove this decal off of them and then put these on. But I've got a heat gun, but I don't really want to do that because I could potentially melt the plastic. All I want to do is take the hair dryer. I'm using my wife's hair dryer just to warm up the residue on the back, that sticky residue, and then we'll put the Saleen decal on.
What's with all these folks today? It's just the way, it's how they act and things they say. Hang your costume, lift your mask, no questions asked, no. But find yourself now, there's a tale. I cannot leave it. Sometimes in the air, somebody calling out my name. Don't reply, it's just a game. I pictured you in a different view before I drew, and now you've lost your sense that keeps me on the edge.
And with that, the wheels are done. Whew. Now it's time to go for a drive. Guys, we're back. Thanks for riding with me. This car needs some work. It doesn't run that great. I can actually smell gas after cruising for a while. I think the injectors are old. They look to be original, along with the valve covers. Top end leaks. I can smell oil. It's probably valve covers mostly, but who knows? It could be the valleys leaking out of the lower intake. It needs a lot more work. There's so many things that need to do to get it done, but it's nice to be able to turn the key, get in it, and go cruise. Listen to those old Flowmasters drone out. It's before the Delta Flow series, so they're definitely old, and most likely they replaced the Dynamax that would have come on these cars. So the Dynamax pieces may have rotten out, or somebody wanted the Flowmasters. Heck, Bleakley could have installed them. I don't know. I got to figure out how to get in touch with the owners. At this point, the guy I bought it from gave me the information of who he bought it from so that I can reach out, see if I can figure out how to get paperwork, or if there is any. If he doesn't have it or they don't have it, maybe somebody else does. But there's still a lot left to do. The ground effects are loose. They're loose, as in the double-sided tape's not really that good. You could tell that whoever painted the car, they put it back on in haste. The ground effects are loose. The screws are not correct that hold the front air dam and rear air dam on. There's a lot of things that need to be done on the outside. We need to put the graphics back on it. We've got to get the correct wing. We've got a lot left to do. The interior's in shambles. There's a lot left there. Needs the correct stereo. Need to get the shift knob done. It's at the machine shop getting an insert put in it. Stay tuned for that. So more to come, but we got to drive it. We got to hear it. We got to enjoy it. We got to smell it, and we got to sweat in it. Golly bum, I forgot how hot it was to drive one of those cars. I can't believe I drove these cars without AC when I was in college and in my first few years of employment after college. But didn't we all? Heck, we still do. I still do to this day. But don't forget to like, subscribe, tag, and share. Until next time, whether you're driving them or you're working on them, always enjoy them. Peace.